Hi, welcome. Are you a hypnotist? Are you doing hypnotherapy? Or are you doing any kind of alternative healing therapies? Now, many times the patient comes to you and you lack a script what to say to them, how to say to them, and what kind of therapy you can take. Now, my friend, I'm Pradeep Aggarwal. I'm doing learning hypnosis since 1972, started teaching hypnosis in 1977, and I do a lot of personal sessions in my office in Hyderabad, and I get different kind of patients, people. Now, sometimes I have a script, I can create my own script in my mind. Sometimes I need a script. So, my friend, when I started learning hypnosis, I started collecting scripts from different resources. I spent thousands of dollars on that. And now I have created a very powerful script. Now there is a volume 1 which we already solved before. There is a volume 2 which has a different varieties. Now let me show you. These are 130 hypnotherapy prescription scripts for the unconscious mind collected and compiled volume 2. Now volume 2 is totally different than volume 1. If you have taken a volume 1, you can take a volume 2 also. If you are watching it first time, you don't know what volume 1 is. Volume 1 also you can talk to my office, they can give it to you. Now it has more than 535 pages, and it has more than 130 scripts word to word which you can use while doing a therapy sessions. Whether you are doing a visualization therapy, hypnotherapy, or any kind of therapy, you need a script, relax the person and use the script for therapy purpose. Now, it has from very beginning, meaning of symbols, prescriptions are written for the unconscious mind, because we are dealing with the unconscious mind for therapy purpose. Convincers, the convincers are very important in hypnosis, because you need to convince the client that they are hypnotized. The moment you convince them they are hypnotized, the therapy becomes piece of cake. So there are different type of convincer, more than 7 brief induction script, association induction, indirect induction 1 and 2, mountain trip induction, command breaking induction. Initially there are a lot of inductions, and drop pen, group induction, pleasant place, hypnotize or not, group induction, library induction, reason for resistance. See, reasoning for register. Some people may resist while you are doing a hypnotherapy sessions. How to use that? Teenage induction. Now there are a lot of inductions here, and then here comes the finger response for therapy 1 and 2. Well, finger response is an analytical thing. You program their mind so you can communicate with their unconscious mind. Getting rid of problem, additional confusion technique, pain release during waking hypnosis. Yes, pain release during waking hypnosis. This script itself is very important. Removing pain, arthritis pain, transferring back pain to the right earlobe, amnesia for pain. There are different ways you can use the pain thing. Throwing away your cigarette, avoiding alcohol, overcoming cocaine addiction, improve all athletic abilities. Big variety of scripts are here. Improving your baseball, perfecting your batting skill, improve your fielding skills, positive suggestions for children while sleeping. Very powerful. In fact, I am going to create a new course, Sleep Talk with the children, how to use them so that you can program their mind. Child health and happiness, improving learning ability, achieving normal weight 1 and 2, different kind of body comparison for weight reduction, treating anorexia, breast reduction, overcoming impotence, overcoming premature ejaculation, overcoming sexual fears, enjoying sex, increasing sexual desire, suggestion to overcome resistance, female sexual fulfillment, overcoming insomnia, remove anxiety, increase self-esteem, maintaining control, abusive marriage, letting go of one you love. Now sometimes you have loved somebody, now you have a breakup of relationship, you are not able to forget that person because that you are not able to get into a new relationship. This script will help you for that. You can get people like this, you can help them. I get a lot of people like this. Abusive marriage, letting go of one you love, attain prosperity, suggestion to deter suicide, understanding self, adjusting to false teeth, eliminate stuttering, get rid of anger, multiple personalities, freeing the mind, developing creativity, creative ability, overcoming procrastination, pleasant childbirth, comfortable design making, suggestions for decision making, achieving courage, overcoming teeth grinding, dental work, overcome gagging, speaking in public speaking. You are special, eliminate stress, recognizing your own goodness, preparing for surgery, phobia treatment, finding lost object, ending relationship, free from procrastination, work success, ability to forgive, overcoming the gambling habit, overcoming the bad breath, enlarging the penis, eliminating fever, blister, eliminating bone spurs, feeding from snoring, stop snoring, different script for snoring, overcoming immunity deficiency, strengthening the immune system, hypnosis for burn client, hypnosis for burn client number 2, eliminating ulcers, common cold, bleeding, premenstrual syndrome 1 and 2, two different things, easy natural menopause, achieving birth control, incomplete eyelid closure, this is a different technique, suggestions for cancer, healing breast cancer, eliminating warts, overcoming paralysis and stroke, overcoming asthma, curing hemorrhoids, overcoming skin rust, overcoming migraine headache, eliminating the migraine headache, developing abilities, developing skills, meditation, psychic development, communication with your counselor, counseling the wise one. Now you can see more than 130 powerful scripts for hypnotherapy. I use them all the time and they are very powerfully worded, and I have collected from many different resources, and this is so powerful. You start using it, all you have to do is hypnotize the person or relax the person and read those scripts to them. Read the script, the effect will be very powerful because it's worded so powerfully. That talks directly to the unconscious mind where the problem resides, If we know consciously what our problem is, if we can do something in your conscious mind, we can remove it immediately, but it is unconscious mind. Very powerful scripts, the 130 scripts. I spent thousands of dollars to get all these scripts. I have created this collected paper only for my students, people in my WhatsApp groups. It is normally, if somebody come and ask me, I will sell it for more than 2,500 rupees. But right now you are my student. It is a very special price for a limited time. It is 470 rupees only. So take it right now and use it. I guarantee you, you will be really amazed with the scripts, the way it is written. I use it all the time. And I get a fantastic result. Remember, always take these ebooks, take a printout, spiral bind it and keep it for your reference and save the original PDF in your hard drive somewhere. So if you lose it, you can still recover and make the point. So use it. Thank you very much. Get it right now. Don't waste your time. Take it right now. Thank you.